The story revolves around twin brothers Raja and Ram. Raja is a conman and Ram a CID inspector. On finding out that the older sister they thought dead is alive, they embark on a quest to save her. Sher Singh the bandit, who has her in his control. Udharan. Raja falls in love with Rani. Since she gets confused between both brothers, Ram grows a mustache so she can easily identify her lover. When Ram goes to find their sister, he gets killed by Sher Singh's goons. It is now left to Raja to find their sister and also avenge Ram's death. Udharan Chinne. Raja takes the help of the police to identify the criminals. He disguises himself as Ram to bring the criminals to justice. He and his team of police rescue their sister from Sher Singh, but she is in critical condition and does not survive. Raja and Rani get married in the end. Udharan.